Hi, this is Lavonne, and I'm in the kitchen trying to find me something to eat. I know I have some deli ham and some croissants. I guess I can make a sandwich like that, but I want to make it even better. So how about I fry up an egg and put on it? Yeah, let me fry up an egg and then season up my egg with just a little bit of salt and pepper to give it some flavor, and then throw that on top of my sandwich. I think this is going to be good. Look at this. Nice fried hard. You can have yours runny if you like. I wanted mine hard. And there, look, I've got a sandwich. I don't have to go to one of those restaurants that sell those sandwiches for $8 like this. You know, most of those places, something like this would be $8. But we did it in Lavonne's kitchen, and we know it's going to be delicious. So I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.